Good evening, ma'am. My name is Jan Ribiusol, live in Damilag, Manolo, Fortich, Bukidnon, and I am 21 years of age, and my hobbies is playing basketball. My weakness is my family, and my strength is also my family. I am interested also. Um, I am interested like adventures, like mountain, go to the mountain, and and I will do my best to be pass of this subject, Cream 7 um, research, and I will I will change my group member